Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. For today we're going to be talking about how to make your own rental website using Wix. It's actually a lot easier than you might think. So let's go ahead and dive in to see just how easy it is. First things first, of course, we're going to want to log in. And if you don't have an account yet here at Wix, you can use your Gmail, you can use Facebook, or you can also continue with Apple. So any of those accounts you can use to sign up. For me, I will just be using my email just to make it simpler for myself, since that is the most convenient option for me. So let's go ahead and do that. And then once we're logged in, we are going to be asked actually a few questions. It's going to be asking us who you are creating a website for. So for us, it's going to be for myself. Next, we're going to be asked what kind of website we are creating. For this one, we are trying to make a rental website. So rental, actually real estate rental agency. There we go. Yep, that one. And then we click next, which will send us to the dashboard here. All right, there we go. And then we're going to be asked, so what is the name of our business? We can put whatever name that we want to put here based on your business. What is your business address? But for now, we're just going to skip that. You can also put in your work hours, the services that you are offering. So here there's a lot of options that you can choose from. And then after that is the people you are that you've hired. So the staff members that you have in your company. You can add a bunch of them here. And then you can also add their email if you wish. And then lastly, you have all these useful tools. They will be added to your dashboard. Let's go ahead and skip that for now and click the continue to dashboard. And then let's design our website here. Okay, so now we can go through the template process. We can let Wix create the site for you, or you can design it yourself. So let's pick a template. This one we can choose from a lot of like loads and loads and pages of templates that we can go through based on what you need. So it already has the real estate agency up there on the search bar. So we can go through some of these. These all look pretty cool. So let's go see what else is on the next page here. Yeah, these are all pretty interesting. I do like that first one that we saw. Oh, I do like this as well. Let's go ahead and try that one. So then we can view it just to see how it looks. Oh, use a template. So yeah, we can edit the site once if you want to use this template as your own for your website. This has a lot of photos showing the different rooms of the place that you want to rent out. Yeah, let's go with this. Let's go ahead and click edit this site, and we'll be taken to the edit template page here for the editor. So here we can see we can add elements to it. We can add a section, add pages and menu. You can change the site design, add some more apps if you wish, go through how your business is doing, and then add some media if you want to. And then we can also go through the content manager. So let's take a look at the template here. It has the home, there's the header here. There's the home, about, portfolio, clients, contact, and book online. And then for the section, the home section here, this is the home page. Actually, it just goes through the whole page. This whole thing is the home page, just the home page, and we can add as much as we want on this one. We can add elements here on the top right. We can add. You can actually change the heading theme text. You can change the titles, text, as well as the paragraphs. So you can change all the fonts and stuff like that. You can also add images. We can have a background if we want to for change the background for the website here. If you don't like this photo of the bed here, we can choose a bunch of different ones. You can also add video, I believe. We can also add buttons if you want to add more buttons to your website here. You can, let's go ahead and click. Let's see here. Sure, I kind of like, for this template here, I kind of like this. Let's add that in. And then just put, I don't know, let's put rent, I guess we can put that on. And then we can also change the background. You can add, change the font quite easily. You can add links to it, so you can go to the book. Well, there we go. You can book now. There's also a booking online here at the corner, but this is just for the sake of taking a look at what sort of elements you can put on. You can have all sorts of different things here. You can go through the gallery, change the photos that you that they have here on the template. You can go through menu anchor, which is here at the top, and a bunch of customization options that you can choose from. You can add a section, so if you want to add, so this is the home page, you can add a welcome page, an about page, a teams page, so who is in your staff, add your contact information, and all sorts of other options. You can also go through the pages menu and edit what you want to edit here. You can copy it, you can change the page background, but you can also do that through just here in general. And then for the site design, you can also change the site theme. And then for your business tab here, you can see your scheduling platform, your calendar, and your online booking. So this is basically your management page here. For the media tab here, you can add, you can upload your social media, or you can upload photos. You can put in videos if you want to your page, your whole website. You can add a bunch of things, and then go through the content manager, so you can set up your connections, create a bunch of dynamic pages, and you can collect info from your site visitors and a bunch more. So that's pretty much it for this video. You can also check how much it is to have your website hosted here. You can have the free one here. Actually, these are free one website plans. There's the VIP unlimited combo connection. So they all have different options for you if you want to add more storage or hours and more features to your website. And all right, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this has been helpful in creating your own website if it is your first time using Wix. And yeah, hopefully we'll get to see you again next time. Have a good one, and goodbye.